So this is just the recap for live stream 167. As we can see here, we've got a gain of 14,287, and I'll be completely honest, it was not from following the rules. I did not completely follow the rules. It actually worked in my favor. So we had a short setup. Price came back pretty strongly, so closed that trade for a loss. We had a short trade as well on the ES, and we also closed out for a loss. So didn't close it for a loss, got stopped out. So got stopped out on ES after seeing the continued buying on NQ. Decided to close the position. The original target was down at 37. As we can see, we never got there. What we did see was we got this blue line, which is a previous day's high, and we've got this red line, which was the lows from, I believe it's Monday or Tuesday. So price came down, came back, came down. Through here, this is where I didn't follow the plan. So we went back short at this level. And so we had so we made a mistake. We tried to get in, close out for a loss, but we had a short after we closed below the original level. I took profits because it made me break even on the day. So thought I'd take profits there because I just wanted to be back flat just in case prices retrace, and I was concerned about the previous day's high acting as a support, which was the right decision. Prices came back again, went short, went for break even, got stopped out, went short again as prices continued to break down. So prices broke down, thought I would get the opportunity to short all the way down to 37s. Prices retraced to the upside after seeing the bullish move back above this level. Decided to get out for a loss, lost 32 there. Went long, again, not part of the plan, so decided to get out. Went long again, and that was off the prices coming down to this level I was using to short off, coming back bullish, breaking above the high, so decided to go long. Now, there was level I was looking at around at 71.50, but I decided to take profits here at the 64s because I was a bit concerned about these previous highs being a bit of a resistance, considering the fact that we retraced nearly 100 points from these highs down to these lows. Took profits there. Through here, saw prices holding, felt a bit of FOMO that prices would get to the original target up at 87.50 off this long trade. The original target was 87.50, but decided to take their profits early there. Went long, had to suffer through a pullback, trailed aggressively, and eventually price started to hit the target there. So price actually took out about 17 or so contracts that designate target at 87.50. Prices seem to have been holding up, just taking a couple of contracts each time. So I decided that I would manually exit. So picked up about 3 points less than the original target, but I was happy to walk away. On ES, so the trade that we took out at the 64s at these previous highs, there wasn't a similar high close by. Well, there was a high, but it was quite a bit further away on ES. So manually closed that, so we flattened the position, so we took profits there. On the last trade on NQ, decided not to take the ES version of it. The original target, of course, being around at 850 above these highs, so there was a bit concerned. There's a bit of concern regarding that, but just left it, didn't take the trade there, of course. If we would have took the trade, could have had a better day, but I'm not going to complain. On RTY, went short as we saw the retracement across the instruments. We decided to flatten and get out of all positions. So we had a small loss there. We just lost 2 there. As you can see, 2, 1. So 2,519. So P&L across the instruments can be seen in the middle right-hand side of the screen here. We lost 13 across the trades on ES. We picked up 3,158 on NQ, slightly flat on the day, and we picked up 26,734 on gold. So YM weren't any trades. It was pretty choppy. I recognized that early on. Gold, we did have a long trade, true setup. We went long, slightly better price than the original. Went long, prices was hit. So this is a price before commissions, 27.5. We'll get over to our trade performance. And let's get our trade performance up. So over on our trade performance, we can see here quite a lot of volatility in our equity curve. It's not the sort of thing we like to see. Drew down massively, down 51 at the trough. We rallied to being up 13. We then drew down a huge amount. We're down 36 before finally ending the day up 14,287. So quite a battle, quite a lot of volatility in our equity curve. It's not the sort of thing we'd like to see. Even though we end up positive, usually when I see an equity curve like this, it's usually a warning sign that things aren't going well. So I've got to bear that in mind. Things aren't going well. The market conditions aren't favorable to my strategy. Go over to the summary page. We can see 117 gross, 103 losses there, commissions 4, profit factor barely positive at 1.14, accuracy 78. I think that's just a product of how the contracts are executed. Average win smaller than the average loss, 0.32. Largest win, largest loss at 25 versus 34. And with that said, that pretty much just wraps up the video here. So thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.